Today we're doing some laser engraving. We're going to engrave some of these laser bowl mugs. These bistro mugs are one of my favorites, along with the polar camel tumblers, and they sell pretty well. It's a very simple process. So today this is not for the customer. This is for myself, for around the shop. So I engraved a couple of these. I got inspired because we have a big event happening here in the hangar. As some of you already know, we are building a kit plane, Zenith aircraft, a 701. And every year we host a workshop here. It's called the Rudder Workshop, where you build the rudder of the aircraft. So we get a lot of people to come out and all. So that inspired me to do some coffee mugs for our shop. If you want more information about that, you can look in the link, and it's happening February the 24th to 25th here at the Bernie Stage Airport in our Mr. J's workshop. But the process we use for doing this is very simple. The only difficult part about doing these bistro mugs is the handle. The handle's pretty long, and you have to make sure you have clearance top and bottom for the wheel of the rotary table not to hit. Now, there are rotary tables out there that just clamp in and don't have any wheels. We don't have that. So that's the hardest part about this cup, is making sure the wheels don't hit. So the steps to do these cups is get the cup pretty much leveled and not hit the wheels. Get the cup level, and I'm going to use a center reference for engraving. So I'm going to put some blue tape on there, make a mark where I want the engraving center to be, line up that center, and then from there we just push go and start engraving. Now, I have an Epilog Fusion 50, and the power setting I'm using is, I have to think about it, 70% power, 40% speed, and 600 DPI. And I never have to make a change. I normally have to do like a graph to find the right power and speed for most materials, but the recommended power and speed for this was right on. I didn't have to do anything. And for any engraver out there, that's a blessing, you know. But they're great mugs. They engrave really sharp, and I'm really happy with them. If you found this video interesting, or you liked the video, give us a like. Please subscribe, and I'll leave a link for the mug in. If you're interested in getting a mug, leave a link in the down below. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day.